Tanzania is beautiful, just like in my books.
Real life, Pepper. Real gorillas, real trouble. Gotta find him fast. Done. Gorillas, right there.
Great. So what's our plan?
I am the plan. Come on, you can't have all the fun. Hey, Rosie, betcha I'll beat ya. Speed power! Say hi to your new favorite ranger, little gorilla. Indigo all fruit. Oh. That's why you don't send a speedy ranger to do a strong ranger's job. Floof, take the controls. Strength power! Show off! No, it's just what I do. See you on the other side. Ah! Floof, get the scooter some air! Floof! You're light for me, but pretty heavy for this scooter. Just a little further, Floof. We're almost there. Floof! Floof! Hold steady, Floof. Floof, Floof, Floof. Great job, Floof. Mission strongly accomplished. And pretty speedily, too. Homeward bound, Rangers?
Oh no! The floodwater has turned the ledge into an island!
This isn't a problem.
Really? Because it sure looks like a problem.
Nah, they're too heavy for the scooters. But not for me. I got this. Rosie Red to the rescue! Get ready, guys. I'm gonna toss you over to the other side. Toss them? Odds on Rosie making this work?
6,722,019.28 to 1, approximately.
Here we go, gorillas. Hold on tight.
She's doing it! She's doing it!
That's my girl. Yeah, Rosie! Strength! Power! That was not supposed to happen. I got this. Speed power!
You know, it's logical to assume there might be crocodiles in those floodwaters.
What? Cute friend.